GitHub is the most popular open-source code repository site. It offers developers around the world the opportunity to work together to share and improve their code. GitHub site holds a wealth of data about the repositories hosted and the developers that contribute to them. Using the GitHub API, we were able to scrape this data from their site and use it to create data visualizations. Doing so revealed the patterns and habits of GitHub repositories and their contributors. Our visualizations focus on 3 repositories: AwesomeChart.js, Cubism.js, and Arbor.js, which are libraries used to create data visualizations. We first inspect the top 20 words used in the repository's commit messages. This helps us to understand what work is being focused on in these repositories. We represent this data using a bubble graph. The more times a word has been used, the larger its bubble. Hovering over each bubble, we are able to see the exact number of times this word has been used in a commit message. The bubbles change color to help identify which bubble is being selected. Our next visualization helps us to understand the geographical location of each of the contributors. We use the contributor's GitHub avatar to identify their location on the map. This lets us see if the contributors are all in a central location or spread across the globe. We are also able to zoom in or out and mouse over the contributor's avatar to view more information. The final visualization graphically displays when contributors are posting commits to the repository. This lets us know when the contributors are working on the repository and helps us see if there are any patterns. Selecting a section on the lower graph lets us look into a specific section of the data. Then we are able to move or adjust this selection. More information can be found on our project page or by clicking here to email the project developers.